Life moves fast. One day you're starting your career, the next you're raising a family, running a business, paying a mortgage, and wondering where the last 10 years went. Most people know they should be investing for the future. The problem is they don't know who to trust, what to buy, or when to make a move. That's why we created $1 Million Long-Term Investor. I'm Gareth Soloway. For decades, I've studied the market cycles, investor psychology, and the forces that drive long-term wealth creation. One thing I've learned is that not every dollar should be traded actively. Some capital deserves a different approach, a more patient approach, a more disciplined approach. That's exactly what $1 Million Long-Term Investor is designed to provide. To help lead that effort, I've partnered with verified investing pro trader Lawton Ho. Together, we manage a $1 million model portfolio built around the principles of long-term investing, transparency, and disciplined risk management.
Most investors don't want to sit in front of charts all day. They have careers, families, and responsibilities. They want their money working for them, even when they're focused on everything else that life demands. That's the investor we're building this portfolio for. We focus primarily on high-quality companies, dividend-paying stocks, and major ETFs positioned to benefit from longer-term market cycles. Positions are often built gradually over time. We'll add when opportunities develop, we'll sometimes take partial profits along the way, and we'll often maintain a core position to stay invested in the bigger move. When market conditions call for it, we may also take defensive positions to help protect capital during broader market downturn. The goal isn't constant activity. The goal is disciplined portfolio growth over time. As a member, you'll be able to follow the portfolio as it evolves. You'll receive updates whenever changes are made. You'll see the positions we're building, the adjustments we're making, and the reasoning behind every decision. Twice each week, I'll provide portfolio updates covering current positions, market conditions, and opportunities we're monitoring next. No guessing, no hidden trades, just transparency.
Building wealth isn't about finding the next hot stock. It's about making smart decisions consistently over time. That's how portfolios grow. That's how retirement accounts grow. And that's how long-term wealth is built. If that's the approach you're looking for, we'd love to have you join us. Welcome to $1 Million Long-Term Investor.